Hey guys, here's my Sunday orange soda bike. Just got it last night, Christmas Eve, and just for the first time rode it today, Christmas Day. Fun day to ride. Alright, so this is my bike check. Gonna start with the grips. We got Odyssey Aaron Ross Pro signature grip, keyboard of course, and Odyssey monolever medium, linear quick slit cable, sticks out pretty far, I like it. Replica Sunday bars, I don't really know, I think like an 8.25 rise. They're alright. I was hoping to get some Sunday, what do you call them, Sunday space bars, but you know, these are still good. I like them. And then we got Sunday Freeze stem. It's alright. Kind of like it. I mean, came loose a little bit, but it's fine. Of course, the Sunday orange soda colored frame. Sunday stock forks. Don't know what they're called. Odyssey Aaron Ross signature tire with keyboard letters in it. Lace. And then, sorry, we have quadrant rim laced to a Vandero Odyssey front hub. And then we got our cranks, our Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks with twisted PC pedals. Sprocket is Sunday, just Sunday sprocket. KMC chain, Aaron Ross signature seat with connected to seat post with a Sunday seat clamp. Same tire, Aaron Ross. Quadrant rim laced to a V3 cassette. And yeah, I really like the bike. I don't think I forgot anything. Oh, the brakes. They are Evo lever, whatever you want to call them, brakes. Really nice. They kind of squeak at first, but they're still good. Yeah, so that's my Sunday Aaron Ross 2012 Pro, and of course orange soda, which I really like. Great bike, recommend it. Alright, see ya.